Hey, this is Neil from Gradesavers, and today we're doing question 13 from section 7.2. 7.2 deals with integration by parts, and the question is, what is the integral of x ln 3x dx? So let's begin. The first thing we need to do is select our u, and we will let u equal to ln 3x in this case, which means dv is everything else that remains. So since we selected u to equal ln 3x, our dv has to be simply x dx. So now we need to figure out what du is equal to, and du is simply equal to the derivative of ln 3x, which is 1 over 3x, and by chain rule, multiply it by 3, and we also need to slap on a dx. And we see that this simplifies down to simply 1 over x, because this 3 and this 3 cancel out. Now, in order for us to find v, we need to integrate dv, or find the antiderivative of x, which is simply x squared over 2 using the power rule. The exponent here is 1, so we add 1 to that exponent, which is 2, and we divide by our new exponent. And now we can put our integration by parts formula together. So let's just write our original question. X ln 3x dx is equal to u times v, so ln of 3x times x squared over 2, minus v du, the integral of v du, which would be x squared over 2 times 1 over x. And I forgot to put my dx here, so let's add that in. And that's good. So again, just to clarify, this is my u, this is my v, and this is the integral of v du. And let's evaluate this now. So this goes and becomes ln 3x x squared over 2. There's really no simplification that can be done here. But here we see there's an x squared here and an x squared, or sorry, an x here. So we can divide one of those x's out. So we are left with simply x over 2 dx. So now in order for us to finish answering this question, we need to evaluate this integral. So let's write down our ln 3x x squared over 2. And to evaluate this integral, let's pull out our constant, which is 1/2. So we pulled out this 2, 1/2. And we will apply the power rule again. So our exponent here is 1. So in order to find the antiderivative, we add 1, and we divide by the same exponent. And let's slap on our constant c. And the very last line with our final answer, we will just simplify this. So our final answer is ln 3x x squared over 2 minus x squared over 4 plus c. And that's it. Hey, thanks for watching. Grab the PDF from below, and remember, the best way to study is to join the Gradesavers review sessions.